is flashing in view. Red, green, yellow, and a beautiful blue. A is for crimson apple, crunchy and sweet. A bright red fruit for a healthy treat. B is for banana, yellow and bright. A sunny yellow peel, what a beautiful sight. C is for caterpillar, crawling on a screen, munching on a leaf that is bright emerald green. D is for dolphin, jumping high and free, a splash of ocean blue in the rolling sea. A, B, C, D, come and paint with me. Every single color from A to Z. Objects and colors flashing in view. Red, green, yellow, and a beautiful blue. E is for eggplant, growing in a vine, a deep royal purple, looking so fine. F is for flamingo, standing on a lake, a beautiful pink is the color they make. G is for goldfish, swimming in a bowl, a bright shiny orange is its happy soul. H is for hat, sitting on a bed, a dark rich brown from the brim to the thread. I is for igloo, standing in the glow, sparkling white in the Arctic snow. J is for jacket, keeping out the cold, a warm metallic gold for the brave and the bold. K is for kitten, playing with some yarn, soft smoky gray by the door of the barn. L is for lemon, sour to the tongue, a pale yellow fruit where the leaves have swung. M is for mittens, warming up your hand, bright magenta pink, the finest in the land. N is for night sky, when the day is through, a deep dark shade of navy blue. O is for orange, juicy and round, the brightest orange color that can be found. P is for pumpkin, sitting on the floor, a glowing orange shell by the autumn door. Q is for quilt, spread across the bed, a patchwork of rainbow colors, blue and red. R is for rose, growing in the yard, a beautiful ruby red that you can't disregard. S is for strawberry, sweet summer candy, a bright scarlet red that is always handy. T is for tangerine, sweet little bite, a tiny orange citrus glowing in the light. U is for umbrella, keeping off the spray, a cheerful violet color on a rainy day. V is for vegetables, healthy and clean, a giant bowl of broccoli, fresh and green. W is for watermelon, sliced on a plate, the pink and green colors taste really great. X is for xylophone, making a sound, a colorful rainbow of bars on the ground. Y is for yolk in the egg, you see a bright warm yellow as rich as can be. Z is for zebra, walking side by side, with black and white stripes on a beautiful ride. Red